What's up, guys? My name's Miles, this is The Commodity, and today is a special day. We're going to the meat shop in Dallas, Texas to go pick up some steaks, but not just any steaks. We're going to get Wagyu beef. We haven't had Wagyu in a few months. It's been a while. We used to get it quite often to experiment different types of recipes, different techniques on cooking it, but we haven't had it in a while, so I'm gonna head to the meat shop, go pick up the steaks. I've got a couple of things coming in the mail from Amazon that I'm actually gonna be using with these steaks. So we're gonna wait for that to get here and then we're gonna start cooking. So I'll see you guys at the meat shop. I can't take you guys inside with me. I might can, but I'm tired of getting kicked out of places. So I'm gonna run inside, grab the meat, grab the seasonings. I'll see you in a second. And we're back. We have our meat. I got 3 steaks, and then I also got some scraps as well. He cut off a lot of the fat and stuff, which obviously Wagyu is loaded with fat, intramuscular fat, but I got some of the fat he cut off as well. I'm gonna play around with that and see what I can do with it. I also got some seasonings. This is the best seasoning I've ever gotten, and it's their product. It's developed for Wagyu beef. Coincidentally complements everything. It's awesome. It's just kosher salt, black pepper, granulated onion, and garlic. It's super good, but we've got our meat in the bag and we are going to head back to the apartment. Guys, our stuff just got here in the mail, so we're gonna go grab it. Guys, we didn't just get 1, we didn't just get 2, but we got 3 1-pound bags of MSG. And we also got a Hammett multifunctional butane torch, and we're gonna be using this on our steaks. Okay, so now we are going to unwrap these Wagyu steaks. We're gonna go ahead and season them up. We've got 3 Wagyu steaks. 2 of them we're gonna do with MSG. 1 without MSG. We're also gonna throw some salt and pepper on there as well on all 3 of them. And then Faz and I are gonna try them and let you know which ones we like the best. So let's go ahead and start seasoning. Alright guys, so we've got the steaks in the sous vide. We're gonna let them cook for 2 hours at 131 degrees. Try and get that medium rare, 130 to 135 degree temp. After we take them out, we're gonna throw them on our cutting board and we're gonna go ahead and sear them with our new flamethrower / kitchen torch. So we're gonna go ahead, hang out here for a couple hours and wait for these to get done. I'll see you in the kitchen. So we are done cooking the Wagyu steak. It looks phenomenal. It is a perfect medium rare steak, closer to the rare side actually, where I like it. I think you like it that way.
Oh, the closer to rare, the better. For me.
So yeah, it's perfect to where I like it. The first time we've used the torch, and obviously, like I said, we're gonna need a bigger one, but I want to continue to do it because it just all it does is sears the outside.
Yeah, because the rest of it's cooked perfectly. It's just the outside looks uninviting to eat, and that's the one downfall. Give it time. The technology will get there, and somebody will create a way to sear the outside, the outside. That's what we need to wait for.
Also, stick around to the end of this video. I want to throw in some screenshots of all of the reviews of the MSG I purchased, because out of the last 20 reviews, more than half of them were thanks to Uncle Roger.
Yeah, so Hasalinda had commented on a video that just went out today talking about the MSG and how we're enjoying it. It's something that this country puts fear in.
Yeah, for some reason.
And well, I mean, I think back in the day, a lot of, stuff, they do it because there's so many unknowns.
I mean, to be fair, it's still in Doritos and Cheetos and junk food.
Right. But at the same time, it's still discouraged from the health community.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So it's kind of, we didn't know what had it and what didn't have it and all that kind of stuff. So we're happy to learn.
Yeah.
I hope this is a good representation of two people with open minds, willing to try something new, because these are Wagyu steaks. These are not cheap steaks. And we are putting our faith in Uncle Roger that this is going to be better than, because one of them has MSG, one of them does not. So we're putting faith in it. We ordered 3 pounds of MSG.
This is for you, Uncle Roger.
So this is for Uncle Roger. This is for all the people that got onto us for spouting. I say it's just what we know.
Yeah.
False information, and hopefully it is false. But we're down to try it because we have open minds.
So this is the MSG Wagyu. This is the just salt and pepper Wagyu.
And yes, this is not A5 because we ain't that rich.
They don't have A5 in Texas.
You can get it.
Well, yeah.
But we're not spending that kind of money.
Yeah. No,
we're not hitting up Costco for $200 for 2 tiny steaks this size. All right, so
we're gonna hit the regular one first.
Okay. Yeah, I wasn't gonna get the heel either. And if there's any knife manufacturers out there that want to sponsor us, don't hesitate to reach out.
So this is what it looks like up close and personal. And again, this is the non-MSG bite.
All right.
It's like butter. Thoughts?
It tastes like a steak that has butter that's been shoved inside of it its whole life.
Okay.
It tastes delicious. It's Wagyu, so, and it's been cooked perfectly. Again, not because of us, because of it's a sous vide.
Yeah.
And then we just seared it, and so the inside is delicious. It's perfect. I have nothing negative to say about it.
Okay. Let's hit this MSG bite.
And of course, this is going to literally look the exact same. Oh, yeah. Instantly.
That's completely different.
Yeah. Yeah.
I wasn't expecting that.
No, night and day difference.
Wow.
MSG is the secret, the super serum That's
super
just
super sneaky snake.
it's making it just
It just brings
itself
out the flavor
that much better.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
there's-
gotta hit it again. This is going back to the regular real quick.
I don't even need to go back to that one.
That's so crazy. How? It like
It is insane. It's like salt 2.0.
I couldn't even call it that because like I don't taste a lot of saltiness.
No, I'm talking about how salt improves things.
Yeah.
It's like that times 2.
But see, that's the thing too though. I don't taste like there's not a taste difference. But it's like you can taste that a lot more than you can taste this. It's like this is just a regular steak now. That is a Wagyu steak.
Right. That's a great comparison.
That is insane. Guys, MSG all the way. MSG on everything. If you're sad, MSG. If you
Just-
get bad grades, MSG.
No?
This is amazing. Uncle Roger, thank you. I feel like I've been reborn. You have saved my life. I am forever grateful.
You've changed my life. This has changed everything. I bet you we can make a choice or a select taste like a prime cut, if not a like a low level like that.
If that's something you guys would like to see us buying a cheap steak and dry aging it
Because
in MSG,
yeah, I would like to try that.
okay, we'll
Yeah.
do that. Let us know in the comments down below if that's something you guys would like to see. Again, stick around to the very end credits. I'm going to throw these Amazon reviews of this MSG on there. I threw one in there myself. Again, Uncle Roger, thank you for changing my life, changing Fez's life. MSG goes on everything.
Yeah, absolutely. Super thankful. If y'all have any other suggestions to use MSG with, or any videos to teach us how to use it in a different way, because we just you saw how we did it in the video. So let us know down in the comments below. And with that being said,
My name's Miles.
and my name is Fez.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Peace.
Out.